So this is the A600 I've recapped for John. It looks a little bit whiter in the video than it does in real life, but it's pretty good actually. The keyboard works properly. There is a gouge. There, look. Looks like it's been dropped at some point in its life or misused in some way. It was rusty when I got it. The caps had leaked pretty bad. Didn't work very well. But like I said, I cleaned it, recapped it. And it seems to work quite nice. It's the first time I've tried it today. I've put a little SD hard drive in there for you, John. What else? It's got a cleaned. Might be it's not a Sony floppy, is it? Don't know what floppy is. I was going to put you a bloody USB things in, but I've got to hack the case about, which I don't want to do on an Amiga, to be honest. Mrs. 2 Unlimited's finished. What shall we have next? Twilight Zone. I've buggered it right up. Ooh. F2. Go on then. Oh, unpacking. Okay. Unpacking? What's that say? Just unpacking. Okay. In 11 seconds. The power of the Amiga, boys and girls. Anyway. Yeah. It's Asus. Oh, classic 90s. Woo! Oh. Makes you want to get your baseball cap. Yeah, what was I going to say? It's recapped, all cleaned, fully cleaned. The case as well. The keyboard, I'm not sure what I did with the keyboard. The keyboard is one I might have done before and just had in stock. Power pack, I don't know if you've got a mouse or not, but I'll put a mouse in with it. It's got, what's it got? The A601 memory. So it's 2 meg chip. So yeah, it's good to go. The hard drive's got classic workbench on there with games and various bits and bobs. This is garbage, isn't it? Alcoholic, oh no, workaholic. Let's have workaholic. Zzz, packing. Nice meeting you here. Decker, good luck with your picture in the compo. Thanks. Those were all messages from Prime. See you. This is someone at the keys, and I just wanted to say hello to Lizard King Alcatraz. I loved your tune. Pardon? Come on, everybody. It's garbage now, it was garbage then. Anyway. Yeah, it's got the RAM pack in there, the 601 or whatever it is. Classic workbench with some stuff on there. I need to update the WHD load to the free one and put some bits and bobs on, which I'll do. But yeah, that's about it. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. But I'll keep testing it all this weekend and maybe next weekend, and if it's all okay, I'll ship it out to you, buddy. So there we are, the 600.